We can discuss some questions. Okay, exercise 16.1. Exercise 16.1. We can do the fourth question. 16.1. Fourth question, I'll read the question. A coin is tossed and a die is thrown. Okay, two experiments are there. First one, tossing a coin, and second one, throwing a die. At the same time, a coin is tossed and a die is thrown. Okay, we have to show both the result, a coin and from the die. That is, from the coin, the result HT. And from the die, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Okay, then we can write the sample space as H1, H2, H3, H4, H5, H6. Okay, then T1, T2, T3, T4, T5, T6. Okay, instead of H1, we can write this outcome as ordered pair H1. Okay, this is also correct. Which is convenient, you can write. Okay, H1, that is, you should write both the result from head, from coin and from the die. Okay, from the coin, the results are head and tail, and from the die, the results are 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Okay, then first we can consider the head, H1, H2, H3 up to H6. Then next we can consider the tail, T1, T2, T3 up to T6. Okay, the total 12 outcomes, don't put etc. You should write all the 12 results. Okay, and the next question, question number 5. A coin is tossed and then a die is rolled only in case a head is shown on the coin. Okay, see the difference? A coin is tossed and a die is rolled only in case a head is shown on the coin. Okay, one condition is given. Okay, a coin is tossed and then a die is rolled only in case a head is shown on the coin. When the coin shows head, a die is thrown. When the coin shows tail, there is no other experiment, tail only. Okay. When the coin shows head, you have to consider the second experiment, a die is thrown. Then we can write the event H1, H2, H3, H4, H5, H6. But don't forget to write the outcome tail. Okay, a coin is tossed means we have two results, head and tail. If it shows head, a die is thrown. If it shows tail, the game over, no other experiment. Okay, you must write the second outcome result, don't forget. That is H1, H2, H3, H4, H5, H6 and tail only. Okay, tail alone. Then, question number 6. 2 boys and 2 girls are in room X. And 1 boy and 3 girls are room Y. Specify the sample space for the experiment in which a room is selected and then a person. Okay, it is clearly mentioned a room is selected and then a person. That means we have to write which room. Okay, we are selecting which room and from which person. Okay, we have to mention both the room and the person. Not only the person, we have to mention the room and the person. Okay, it is clearly mentioned, write the sample space in which first a room is selected and then a person. Okay. In the first room X, in room X, 2 boys, we can write B1, B2 and 2 girls, we can name them as G1, G2. The room X contains 2 boys, 2 girls. And room Y contains 1 boy and 3 girls, B1 and 3 girls, G1, G2, G3. Okay, we have to select a room first and then a person. Then first we can select room X. Okay, and from the room X, we can select any one of the person. It may be 1 boy, B1 or B2 or 1 girl, G1, G2. How do you write the result? X. That is room X. Okay, we selected room X. Then person X, B1. That means first boy from room X. X, B1. What does it mean? We are selecting the first boy from room X. X, B1. Or we have to write all the possibilities. X, B2. Second boy from the same room. X, G1. First girl from the room X. And X, G2. Second girl from the same room. X, B1, X, B2, X, G1, X, G2. Okay, from room X the possibilities are over. Or we can select the second room Y and then a person. That is Y, B1 YG1, YG2, YG3. Okay, don't forget to mention both the room and person. First, we select the room and then a person. That is XB1, XB2, XG1, XG2. Then YB1, YG1, YG2, YG3. Is it okay? That is question number 6. Okay. Then question number 7. One die of red color, one of white color and one of blue color are placed in a bag. One die is selected at random and rolled. Its color and the number on its uppermost face is noted. Okay, which are the two things? Its color and the number on the uppermost face. Then we have to mention both color and the number. Describe the sample space. Okay, 3 dies are there. Their colors are blue, red and white. Okay, then we have to mention both the color and the number. The color red, white and blue. The numbers we know 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. 6 faces. Okay, then we can take the first die, red in color, R1. Okay, what does it mean? Red die and face number 1, R2. Red die and the topmost number is 2, R3, R4, R5, R6. And similarly we can consider the second color white, W1, W2, W3, W4, W5, W6. And similarly the next blue, B1, B2, B3, B4, B5, B6. Is it okay? Then first write the color and then the number. Okay, color and the number. And the next one, question number 9. Question number 9. The ninth question. A box contains 1 red and 3 identical white balls. Okay, not the point. Not 3 white balls. Not similar to question number 7. 3 identical white balls. Okay, 3 identical means no need of writing W1, W2, W3. Okay, we cannot identify which is W1, 2, 3. We can take W only. Why? 3 identical white balls. 2 balls are drawn at random. 2 balls means either 2 white or red and white. 2 red is not possible, only 1 red ball is there. 2 balls are drawn at random in succession without replacement. In succession means one after the other. Without replacement means if we are taking a ball, we are keeping it somewhere. We are not replacing it. Okay, without replacement. Write the sample space for this experiment. Okay, a bag consists of 1 red and 3 identical white balls. 1 red and 3 white balls. Okay, we are taking 2 balls at random. 2 balls. Okay, and without replacement, not replacing it. Okay, then how will you write the sample space? Yes, we can take 2 white balls or 1 red and 1 white ball. 1 red, 1 white means first red, second white, or first white, second red. Okay, then how will you write? RW, first red, second white. 2 white balls, WW. Then first white, second red, WR. Okay, and here no need of writing W1, W2, W3. Why? The 3 balls are identical. It is very clear. Then we can write RW, WW and WR. Okay, then and similar some more questions are there in the same exercise, exercise 16.1. Okay, you watch the video very 2 or 3 times and do the remaining questions and ask your doubt through WhatsApp.